Hi students, good morning. Have you all fine? I hope all are fine. Everyone should finish yesterday homework now. Okay. Today in this session we will discuss about chapter number 1, numbers, order of operations. Okay ma? What is mean by operations? Already you know for a mathematics for 4 basic fundamental operations. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here in this topic order of operations. Operations are not basic only, but how we will calculate. That means which order you should be take. That's very important. Okay na? So for that order of operation we can use one rule. What rule? That is a Bitmas rule. What rule? That is a Bitmas rule. First expansion of Bitmas. Okay na? So Bitmas rule means what means? One order we can write. So B for bracket, I for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So this is for abbreviation of Bitmas rule. B for bracket, I for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Already you have to know for the last 4 operations: division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So for in this Bitmas rule we can use means before that we can see what are the type of brackets and what is meant by indices. These 2 terms only new terms. So first one bracket. Bracket, for example, directly 6, 7 divided by 8 plus 9 minus 8. This like one sum given. Okay da? So 6 plus 7. Here addition operation. Here division operation. Next plus operation. Next subtraction operation. Okay da? There is no clue. For how did you find out? First you do plus or first you do divide. You don't know. You have to get confusion. So for avoiding that confusion, you can use Bitmas rule. Bitmas rule means first you can see bracket. For given sum, is there any place bracket have or not? No. So go to next step. Indices. Indices means what? Indices means of. For example, 15 kilogram of 100 kilogram. Like that verbal problem you know, that is called indices. That means the word of indicates indices. Okay ma? Next one division. Yes, division symbol is there. So first you should be calculate division symbol only. First you do divide only. Okay. Next multiplication. Okay ma? So multiplication after you can do addition. Next addition after subtraction. So how many number, how many operations given you can do in your order wise only. First you can solve bracket. Next you can solve indices. Is there any indices have means? Next you can do division. Next you can do multiplication. Next you will see addition. Then after lastly finally only we can calculate subtraction. Okay ma? This is the Bitmas rule. By using this rule only we can solve the problem and we can get the answer. This is very important topic for any competitive exams. Like the TNPSC, like that want to take means it's very and railway exam, for any exam taking this is very important topic. Bank exams also. Okay, so you have to know thoroughly. Okay ma? So first of all we can see bracket. Okay da? What is mean by bracket? A bracket have 3 or 4 types. First one round bracket. Okay da? For in between 5 plus 2. First we can calculate bracket. So this is called a round bracket. Next square bracket. These 2 also square bracket. Next this is a curly bracket. Curly. Okay means auto curve shape come now. So it's a curly bracket. Next vinculum bracket. Vinculum bracket means for any number 5 plus 2 upside have to come line. So 4 brackets also we can say in brackets. It's a type of bracket. Okay da? So first one is a round bracket. Second one is a square bracket. Third one is a curly bracket. Fourth one is a vinculum bracket. Vinculum bracket means upside want to come line. This line coming also what is the meaning? It's within the bracket 5 plus 2. Okay da? Next indices. Indices means of. For example 15 of 25. Like that on the right means half means what? Indices. That means half means you can change the word in multiplication. That also called indices. Which place and all want to come half, that place you can change in a multiplication symbol. Next, division. Everyone know. This is a symbol of division or this slanting line. That is a division. Next, multiplication. As it is addition plus symbol, subtraction minus. Okay, so when you have to use this Vidmas rule, first you can see bracket. Bracket means you can learn about what are the types of bracket. Then after indices, indices means half. Then after 4 basic operations. Clear, Rama? Next, exercise 1.3. First Roman have fill in the blanks only. For these fill in the blanks, you have 3 questions. For the first question, if Arulmozhi saves ₹12 per day, she saved dash rupees in 30 days. Arulmozhi அப்படிங்கறவங்க பொண்ணு 12 rupees சேவ் பண்றாங்க per day க்கு 1 day க்கு அப்படினா 30 daysல எவ்வளவு சேவ் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க? ஓகேவா? இவ்வளவுதான் क्वेश्चन. ஓகேடா? So for 1 day he has saved 12 rupees. So 30 days so directly you can multiply 30 into 12. Okay, 2 into 0 0, 2 3s are 6, 1 0 0, 1 3 3, 6 3. So rupees, how much rupees? She saves in rupees 360. So 1 day 12 rupees means 30 days. Have to directly multiplication 360. Next question number 2. If a person A earns, A means somebody person, not you name, just enter A only. A earns rupees 1800 in 12 days. Then he earns in dash in a day. ஒரு person A அப்படிங்கற person 1800 rupees 12 daysல earn பண்றாங்க. earn பண்றதுனா சம்பாதிக்கிறது. சரியா? அப்படினா எவ்வளவு சம்பாதிச்சிருப்பாங்க 1 டேக்கு? ஓகேவா? சோ லாஸ்டா என்ன பண்ணிருப்போம்? அதோட ரிவர்ஸ் தான் இது. லாஸ்டா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோமா? சோ அதோட ரிவர்ஸ் என்னது? டிவிஷன். 12 daysக்கு இவ்வளவுனா 1 டேக்கு எவ்வளவு? ஓகேவா? சோ அப்ப என்ன பண்ணோம்? நம்ம டைரக்ட்டா 1800 divide by 12 days. How much rupees he earned? 1800. How many days he earned? 12 days. That means 1 day means directly it should be division only. So 1800 normal division. So 12 table means 1 times 112 is 12. 112 is 12. So remaining 6. Next 0 will come in next step. So how many 12s are 60? 112 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60. So remaining 0. So this 0 will come down, but there is not divide. So you can upside you have to put 0. Okay. So how much rupees here? 150 rupees. Okay. So per day 1 rupee earn means that means only 12 days 1800 rupees he earned. Next question number 3. It's only Vidmas rule. 45 divided by 7 plus 8 within the bracket minus 2. For in this sums and all you read means within the bracket, like that only should be read. 45 divide within the bracket 7 plus 8 minus 2. So what is the Vidmas rule, ma? B stands for bracket, I stand for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. For in this given sum, what is the first one? You can see bracket. Is there any bracket is there? Yes, bracket is there. So first you can calculate this bracket only. Okay, so how do you find out? 7 plus 8. What is the value of 7 plus 8? 15 only. Okay, so B finished. Next you can see indices. Is there any indices? No indices because half word any place not come. So indices not have. Next you go for D. D for division. Is there any division symbol? Have or not? Yes, yeah, division symbol have. So the first one 45 divided by 15. Okay, so 45 divided by 15 means 45 divided by 15 means 1 15 is 15, 2 15s are 30, 3 15s are 45. So we can divide 45 divided with the 15 means we can get the answer 3. So here I want to put 3. Next, what is the operation? Multiplication not have. Addition also not have. This is bracket, already we can calculate. Next is subtraction. Yes, subtraction is there. So here. So 3 minus 2. What is the value of 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2? 1 only. So what is your answer? 1. First bracket you can simplify, then after divide, then after subtraction. So 45 divided by 15 means 3. 3 minus 2 you can get the answer 1. Okay ma'am. Next second Roman, say true or false. Okay ma'am. By using Widmar's rule we can find out whether it is a true or false. First you see 3 plus 9 multiplied by 8 you can get 96. For in these places we can avoid it for confusion, you can use Widmar's rule. Widmar's rule. Once again I can repeat. B for bracket, I for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So that order only we can solve the problem. See here, plus symbol come and multiplication symbol come. These two, first which one? Multiplication only first we can do. Okay da? So first multiplication means 3 you can write as it is. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. Next, now plus symbol. 3 plus 72. 75. So here what is the answer? 75 only. But here what is the answer you want to given? 96 given. First left side you should be take. We can prove that right side. Okay na? So I can take left side. You can get the answer 75. But what are the given answer? 96. So this statement is true or false? Yes, very good. It's a absolutely false statement. Okay ma'am. Next, second one, 7 multiplied with 20 minus 4 equal to 136. In this sum also, you can take left side. See your left side, 7 multiplied with 20 minus 4. Okay da? Here how many operations are there? 2 operations. What is the first operation? Multiplication and subtraction. See your Widmar's rule, which one come first? Multiplication come first, subtraction come next. Okay, so first you can do multiplication. 7 20 700, 7 14, 140. Okay, first multiplication finished. Next operation minus 4, subtraction. Okay, so 140 minus 4, 136. What is your answer ma? 136. So what is the given answer? 136. Now you can say it's a easily, you can say it's a true statement. It's a true statement. Next, third question. 4 plus 56 minus 6 divide by 2 equal to 45. So you should be concentrate left side. What is the left side? 40 plus 56 minus 6. Here see, first one bracket. Okay, for in the third sum bracket entered. Which bracket entered? Round bracket entered. So first we can simplify these two only. In between the bracket, 4 or more operations come means same Widmar's rule only we can use. In this bracket inside also. Here give only one operation. So I can take directly. Suppose in between the bracket plus minus multiplication division any one come means order wise only we can solve inside the bracket also. Division, after multiplication, after addition, after division. In this type only you can solve. So within the bracket here only one operation, that is a subtraction, I can do directly. Okay ma? So 56 minus 6 subtraction. You can get 50 divided by 2. Okay da? Next plus and division. See here division will come or addition will come first. Division only come first. So division means first we can solve division. 40 keep it as it is plus 50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2 means we can divide with 2. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. Next 0 will come next step. 5 2s are 10. So what is the answer ma? When you have 50 divided with 2, you can get the answer 25. So here answer is 25. Okay. Now division also finished. Next we can go for addition. What is addition? 40 plus 25. Directly you can write 65. So here what is the given answer? 45. Your correct answer is 65. But what is the given answer? 45. So it's a contradiction. So definitely you can say it's a false statement. So for the first question false, second question true, third question false. Clear Rama? Okay pa. Next third question. The number of people who visited the public library for the first 5 months were 1200, 2000, 2450, 3060 respectively. How many people visited the library in the last 5 months? ஒரு லைப்ரரி இருக்கு, பப்ளிக் லைப்ரரி. அதுல ஒவ்வொரு மந்த்தும் எவ்வளவு விசிட்டர்ஸ் வராங்க, எவ்வளவு ரீடர்ஸ் வராங்க அப்படிங்கறத கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. first 5 months. அப்ப first month 1200, second month 2000, third month 2450, fourth month 3060, fifth month 2300. respectivelyன்ற வேர்ட் எதுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா first 5 months. அப்ப நீ ஆர்டர் வைஸ் எடுத்துக்கணும். first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month அந்த ஆர்டர் மாறாம எடுத்துக்கணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காக தான் இந்த respectively கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. சரிங்களா? so we can write the solution for the first month. How many people? 1200. For the second month, how many people? 2000 people. For the third month, how many people? Third month 2450. For the fourth month 3060. Next, for the fifth month, for the fifth month 3200. so last 5 months every month you can write. now for first totally how many members? that means total the word comes it's addition or multiplication. definitely it's a addition only. so everyone you can add. okay na? so 0, everyone add with 0. here 5 plus 6 11. 11 means 1. you can put carry 1. again 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 2 9. next 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 3 11. so at totally last 5 months they are to visited the people how many members? 11910. clear mama? next sum number 4. Charan had a bank savings of rupees 7,50,250. he withdraw rupees 5,34,500 for educational purpose. find the balance amount in his account. okay da? so Charan அப்படிங்கறவங்க bank savings account வச்சிருக்காங்க. எவ்வளவு வச்சிருக்காங்க? 7,50,250. ஓகேவா? he withdrew அப்படினா என்ன பண்றாங்க? எடுத்துட்டாங்க. எதுக்காக? எஜுகேஷனல் பர்பஸ்க்காக எடுத்துட்டாங்க. அமௌண்ட் பேங்க்ல இருந்து எடுத்துட்டாங்க. 5,34,500. that means find the balance amount. the word balance means it's addition or subtraction. it's a subtraction. so இவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் இருந்துச்சு, அதுல இருந்து நம்ம கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படினாவே அது என்னது? subtraction. so you have to write solution. first one, savings amount. savings amount how much? rupees 7,50,250. okay da? next he withdraw means you have to take it from bank. so withdraw rupees 5,34,500. okay da? so remaining balance means definitely it's a subtraction sum. now we can subtract 0 minus 0 0. 5 minus 0 5 only. 2 minus 5 it's not possible. you want to get carry from before number. so here you want to get 12. that means here 9 only. so before number also you can get carry. okay da? so 12 minus 5 7. next here 0 means before time you have to get 9. 9 minus 4 9 minus 4 5. next 4 minus 3 1. again 7 minus 5 2. so what is the balancing amount? at last you can write balancing amount equal to rupees 2,15,750. clear ma? it's a very easy sum. next sum number 5 ma. in a cycle factory 1,560 bicycles were manufactured every day. find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. ஒரு cycle factory bicycles manufacture பண்றாங்க, produce பண்றாங்க. 1560 bicycles எவ்வளவு manufacture பண்றாங்க ஒவ்வொரு நாளும். ஓகேவா? per day க்கு 1560. find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. Per day means one day. One day க்கு 1560 manufacture பண்றாங்க அப்படினா 25 days க்கு எவ்வளவு? ஓகேவா? சோ அப்ப one day கொடுத்துட்டு 25 days கேட்டானா already you know it's a multiplication. Okay now. So first solution, one day manufacture, I can write simply 1560 cycles. Okay, therefore 25 days, that means 1600 into 25 per day க்கு 1560 product பண்றோம், produce பண்றோம், manufacture பண்றோம் அப்படினா 25 days க்கு என்ன பண்றோம், multiply பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? so 1560 multiply with 25. first you should take ones place 5 is multiply with 0 5 6 are 30, remaining 3 5 5 are 25 plus 3 28, remaining 2 5 1 is 5 plus 2 7. Okay, next take a 2 tens place 2 into 0 2 6 are 12, remaining 1 2 5 are 10, remaining 1 means 11, remaining 1 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3. So 0 10 plus 2 10, remaining 1 8 9 39. Okay da? So at last 39 rupees a cycles are. Very good, it's a cycles because we can manufacturing counting we take it as cycles now. So 39,000 cycles we have to the cycles have to manufacture in a 25 days. So what is the answer? 39,000 cycles. Okay ma'am. Next exercise 1.3 homework sums down. You have to finish 1 to 5 some class works, like that 1 to 5 some homework. Okay, for the first one fill in the blanks. I can say the meaning of questions, you can do it your homework now. Okay ma? If Kayal gives rupees 6 per day, then she gave dash rupees in 16 days. Kayal அப்படிங்கற பொண்ணு ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் என்ன பண்றாங்க, 6 rupees கொடுக்கறாங்க யாரோ ஒருத்தருக்கு. சரிங்களா? சோ அப்படினா 16 days எவ்வளவு கொடுப்பாங்க? ஓகேவா? 1 day க்கு 6 rupees கொடுத்தா 16 days க்கு எவ்வளவு கொடுப்போம்? சோ இது என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Multiplication பண்ணிக்கணும். சரியா? Next question number 2, if a person Mickey earns rupees 600 in 10 days, then he earns in dash in a day. ஓகேவா? so Mickey அப்படிங்கற person 600 rupees என்ன பண்றாங்க, 10 daysல earn பண்ணிடுறாங்க, சம்பாதிச்சுக்கறாங்க அப்படினா 1 டேக்கு அவங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு சம்பாதிப்பாங்க? ஓகேவா? so like the class of sums only you can do. Okay ma? Next third one, this like sums you can use BITMAS rule. 5 multiply within the bracket 6 plus 2 equal to dash. You can solve, then after you should write the answer. Next is second Roman, say it's a true or false. Okay, for these two also BITMAS rule only. First you should be take it as LHS, left hand side, then after you can solve after you get the answer. You have to check your statement is correct means your answer is correct means you can write true, otherwise wrongly contradictionally come means you can write it's a false. Okay ma? Next question number 3, in an exhibition the number of tickets sold on the first, second, third and fourth days are 1,10,000, 75,060, 25,700 and 30,606 respectively. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Okay da? ஒரு எக்ஸிபிஷன் போறோம், அந்த எக்ஸிபிஷன்ல இருக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் டிக்கெட் சோல்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, என்ட்ரி ஆரம்பி சோல்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேக்கு 1,10,000 சோல்ட் ஆயிருக்கு, செகண்ட் டேக்கு 75,060, தேர்ட் டே 25,700 and fourth day 30,606 respectively. ஓகேடா? சோ ஒவ்வொரு டேவும் எவ்வளவு டிக்கெட்ஸ் சோல்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் அப்படிங்கறது கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Find the total number of tickets. ஓகேவா? Find the total number of tickets. Total the word means everyone should be added. So it's a addition. Okay ma'am? Next for fourth one, Gopi had a bank account savings rupees 1 lakh. Okay va? So 1 lakh அவங்க savings வச்சிருக்காங்க. He withdrew rupees 75,000 எடுத்துட்டாங்க. So find the balancing amount, like the class of sum only. Okay, first you should be read the question thoroughly, then after write the solution step by step. You can write the answer. Okay va? So what is the saving amount, what is the withdrawal amount, at last you want to subtraction, after you want to write balancing amount properly, you want to write. Okay ma? altogether 26 folders எடுத்துக்கிறோம். folderனா ஒரு 100 பேப்பரை ஒரு வந்து பண்டல் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம் அதுதான் folder. so 26 folder இருக்கு. each has, the word each is very very important. why means each means ஒவ்வொரு பண்டல்லையுமே எப்படி இருக்கு 56 sheets இருக்கு. ஓகேடா? சோ ஒரு பண்டல்ல கிடையாது, ஒவ்வொரு பண்டல்லையுமே 56 sheets இருக்கு. அப்ப டோட்டலா நமக்கு எத்தனை ஃபோல்டர் இருக்கு? 24 ஃபோல்டர்ல இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? சோ ஒரு ஃபோல்டருக்கு தான் 50 sheets. அப்ப 24 ஃபோல்டர்னா 24 multiply with 56 sheets. ஓகேவா? so you have to multiply, then after you have to write the answer. ஓகேவா? so each fold we have to write the properly right solution. one folder or one folder number of sheets equal to 56. then after 24 folders எழுதி multiply பண்ணி rough work everyone should write in right side of your note. okay ma? and last we can write the answer. listen ma, for your homework sum, take your homework note properly should be write achievement 2 exercise number and then date and day, question answers. suppose 5 sums given means 5 sums also you have to write neatly, okay, and legibly, and every sum finished after should draw a line. presentation is very very important. rough work and all definitely you should be doing right side corner. okay ma? so everyone you should be write and send your class ma'am also. okay ma? thank you.